Hey developers! Ever felt your application is growing too big, too slow, and too complex? Let's talk about how we broke down a monolithic system into lightning-fast microservices. Our team at a fast-paced startup faced issues with scaling and managing deployments. The monolithic codebase made it hard to add features or isolate bugs, so we transitioned to microservices. Each module, payments, user auth, product listings, became its own service, with its own database and deployment pipeline. We used Docker and Kubernetes to containerize and orchestrate services. AWS EC2 and API Gateway helped us expose and scale endpoints efficiently. CI/CD pipelines with GitHub Actions and Code Pipeline ensured quick rollouts. Each push triggered tests and production-ready deployments. The result? 60% faster deployments, 30% fewer bugs, and a much happier dev team. Thinking of switching to microservices? Start small. Break one module. You'll feel the difference. Like and follow for more dev insights.